let's dive into a great YouTube channel for anyone wanting to work on their own car. Yeah, with over 41,000 subscribers, you can tell he's built a real community. And this is the man himself, Mark. He's just a car guy, totally driven by passion. His whole channel is packed with practical stuff like reviews, repairs, and hands-on maintenance tips. But you'll notice he's got a real soft spot and a ton of expertise for BMWs. He takes that passion and turns it into real advice to help you tackle your own projects. Okay, so if you're just starting out, what tools does he say you absolutely need? He lays out a really solid starter kit, covering all the basics you're going to need. But before you pick up a wrench, he has a super important message for you. And this is key. He's a car enthusiast, not a trained professional mechanic. So remember, his videos are for guidance. They're not a substitute for a pro's advice. And he makes a great point. Cars are complex, and you can get hurt if you're not careful. And it's not just about safety. You can also do some seriously expensive damage to your car. His bottom line is simple. Know your limits, and don't be afraid to call a professional. The whole vibe of the channel is to empower you, but also to make sure you're cautious. And that mix of passion and total honesty is exactly why so many people trust him. So it really leaves you with one question. Are you ready to learn and ready to be safe?